guys, hello, aloha and welcome. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to walk around Kahala Mall, check things out. Got Jack Lord over my shoulder here. I am here at Kahala Mall getting my dentist checkup. Everything looked good. I got my hair cut, a little short, but it's all good. It'll grow back, right? It looks kind of sharp. So anyways, join us. Please follow, like, subscribe, grab a little coffee here at our to-go Starbucks there, and let's have some fun adventures together. All right, guys, let's check out Kahala Mall and some of the surrounding areas. Stay tuned. Kahala Mall has changed a lot over the decades. This used to be a really cool Bank of Hawaii circular shaped building. They tore it down and built this one. The other one had a lot more character, but it probably wasn't as efficient as that one is. I remember when this was just flat parking, no triple decker parking lot. You could even see Longs and Liberty House across the way, but no more. But the biggest change is this area right here. This used to be a really cute bowling alley. Yes, now they turned it into a little strip center, which is kind of cool. And that McDonald's over there used to be part of it. And it was right here, it was a bowling alley. Let me see if I can find a little picture. I'll plug it in there, but now it's like a little strip center. This is new. It looks like a heated fitness facility. Addicted to the heat, infrared heated, musically driven. Maybe it's like a yoga class that you take or a movement class, but in extra hot surroundings to get more exercise, more water burn. Interesting. And that's a very nondescript back of McDonald's. I don't know if you guys remember McDonald's back in the day when they used to have like the characters outside and the playground areas for the kids. It was like an event to go to McDonald's. At least it was for us. Let me see if I can find a picture of an old McDonald's like that. Put it in here if I can find it. But that's one thing, always changing, always developing, redeveloping. This little strip center, like I said, used to be a really cool, old cool bowling alley. That building back there is the reason why I'm here, because it's time for my dentist checkup. Funny thing is that I do go to a dentist in there now, and that's the same building I used to go to in my youth when I had braces. Remember before Invisalign, you had the metal braces? Well, yeah, I had those back when I was like in the 7th, 8th grade. And that's where I used to go for my orthodontics. Yep, and now I'm full circle back here going for my regular dental treatments. Yeah, building's still there, lots of dentists in there. Different dentists, not the same one anymore, but anyways, TMI. Theaters are a much different experience now. I think I've only been to this theater once or twice, but remember them not being actually that big, right? Because they got so many screens, right? But and the last time I'd been to a movie, now it's like recliner chairs and all that. Ooh, all day happy hour. Interesting menu. It's different now. There's like 2 theaters over there. It's a cute shop there with all kinds of fun stuff. Ooh, I think you can buy your tickets right here. Remember at Christmas they put a big old poinsettia tree there, so it's kind of nice to see. Shopping centers known for their rugs. There's little shops that have been here forever. This guy's been here forever. These Pokemon cards are all the craze now. Little food court area down here. Always have interesting stuff in here. Oh, the Claire's closed down. That's new. Always busy at California Pizza Kitchen. Planet Fitness. There's a men's Macy's store, an iMachinery there, a bunch of other things. Never seen it so busy. Take a little detour. One of the reasons we're here at Kahala Mall is to visit the Jack Lord statue. It's a nice little peaceful area, sort of a tribute to him, and done shots of his little bust statue before, but you know, he was a frequent visitor of the shopping center out here because he used to live out here. He was made famous from Hawaii Five-0. Anyways, that's the bust. Wow, 1998. Seems like so long ago. I made other videos where we actually went out to his house, or the apartment that he used to have. It's not far from here. Maybe I'll attach that to the end here if anybody's interested. You can check it out. The freeway's right there, and actually this little statue is right by this little trolley stop here, so it's always an easy spot for people to find at Macy's and California Pizza Kitchen. If you're a Jack Lord Hawaii Five-0 fan, you will make sure to want to come and check it out. Alright guys, Kahala Mall is not hard to do. It's a nice indoor air-conditioned shopping center. Always fun to check out, especially if the weather's not so nice outside, or it's too hot, or it's too rainy. It's not too hard to do the mall. It's pretty fast because it's not too big, but I like to walk out this side because it always reminds me when I was young, the See's Candy has been here forever. And I used to love getting their little lollipops. I think I remember them only being a quarter back in the day. I'm sure they're much more now, but it's always kind of fun to check it out and see. And they have these beautiful red palms. See these red palms? Nice, huh? We used to have a bunch of them here. It looks like they cut them back or did something different. But anyways, oh look, See's Candy sells greeting cards now, as well as all the chocolates. Oh, interesting. But yes, they used to have the lollipops in there that were quite delicious. I remember that. All right. Easy peasy. Heading back to the car. Hopefully you had fun. All right, guys, we're going to end it where we started it, right back here at the Jack Lord statue. Thanks for joining us today. Please follow, like, subscribe, help me build this channel and all my other channels, and let's have lots of fun, exciting adventures together. All right, guys, until I see you again, aloha.